In today's video, we're showcasing 3 of the best live wallpaper apps for Android. If you're looking to spice up your home screen with stunning visuals and dynamic animations, these apps are just what you need. Let's dive in and see what each one has to offer. Flux 3D Live Wallpaper. Flux 3D Live Wallpaper is a visually stunning app that brings animated 3D graphics to your Android device's home screen. The app features mesmerizing abstract designs that constantly evolve and transform, creating a dynamic backdrop that's both captivating and relaxing. Users can customize the wallpaper by adjusting colors, speed, and patterns, allowing for a personalized experience that suits individual tastes. With its smooth animations and lightweight performance, Flux 3D offers a unique way to enhance your device's aesthetic appeal. Fun Smile Silly Live Wallpaper. Fun Smile Silly Live Wallpaper is an entertaining and vibrant app that adds a whimsical touch to your home screen. This app features cheerful designs filled with animated characters and playful elements that bring a sense of joy and laughter to your device. Users can customize the wallpaper settings, including animation speed and background color, to create a cheerful environment. Perfect for users who appreciate a lighthearted vibe, Fun Smile Silly is a delightful way to brighten up your phone or tablet with fun visuals. Wave Live Wallpaper. Wave Live Wallpaper is an elegant and serene app that simulates beautiful ocean waves gently moving across your screen. With realistic graphics and smooth animations, it creates a calming effect that users find soothing. The app offers various customization options, such as wave height and speed, along with different background settings to create a personalized seaside experience. Wave Live Wallpaper is perfect for nature lovers or anyone looking to bring a touch of tranquility to their device. Thanks for watching our video on the best live wallpaper apps for Android. We hope these recommendations inspire you to enhance your device's aesthetics and enjoy a more personalized experience. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more exciting content. See you next time.